Aloha friends. So yesterday we learned the letter H and it was lowercase. So today we're going to talk about the uppercase letter H. So this is my uppercase letter H, and let's take a peek about what happens to Harry Hatman when he starts important words. When Harry Hatman starts an important word, he is so happy that he does a handstand with his hat on. So do you see the difference between the letter that is uppercase and lowercase? So this is a lowercase letter H, and this is an uppercase letter H. So let's look at the uppercase letter H. We're gonna get in that good writing position. I'm sitting up, I'm pinching and squeezing. And yesterday we wrote the lowercase letter H, so today let's write the uppercase. So I'm gonna pinch and squeeze, and I'm gonna draw a straight line down. I'm gonna leave a little space. I'm gonna draw another straight line down, and then I'm going to cross my H in the middle. That is the uppercase letter H, and let's review the lowercase letter H. So we're gonna be looking for those in a sentence. But before we do, let's talk for a second. What is the difference between a letter, a word, and a sentence? So a letter is just one letter. So like my letter L, that's one letter. A word has more than one letter. There's only two that are little rule breakers, and we'll talk about those later. So this is my word, and my word is from that word family we learned at the beginning of the week, sad. So it has more than one letter. And a sentence, if I were to use that into a sentence has more than one word, and a little trick is it ends in punctuation, so it ends in a period. So I am sad is my sentence. So a letter, word, and a sentence. So I want you from home to tell me where this goes when I hold it up. So this is my first one. In. Is this a letter? No. Is it a word or a sentence? Which one do you think? Tell me from your house, what do you think? If you said word, you got it right. It is a word. Okay, let's do another one. What do you think? Is it a letter, a word, or a sentence? It's another letter, so I'm gonna put that over in letter. Okay, let's try another one. Ready? It says, he has a hat. Is that a letter, a word, or a sentence? If you said sentence, ding, 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 it is a sentence. And my last one is the letter D. I told you the answer. It is a letter. It's the letter D. So that's the difference between a letter, a word, and a sentence. So let's flip this around, and you are going to be finding the letter H in a sentence today. So here is our sentence. And our sentence reads, Harry Hatman has a horse in a hat. So that's a nice long sentence. And a sentence always starts with an uppercase letter and ends in a lowercase. So again, we're going to be word detectives. We're going to be looking for our uppercase H and our lowercase h. So let's do this together. Are you ready? All right, let's look. Our very first letter in Harry, we hear that for Harry, is a capital H or an uppercase H. So I'm going to give it a circle, and you can do that at home in your seesaw. All right, let's look. Do we have any more? A-R-R-Y? No more. Oh, there's a matching letter, another uppercase letter H. That's in our word hat. Harry Hatman. Man. No, that's Munching Mike. Has. Do you hear in the word has? It's a lowercase letter H. Okay, how about this word? Do you think that's an H? No, that's letter A for any apple. How about in horse? I hear an H. So Harry Hatman has a horse in, no, a hat. There's one more. Can you find it? There it is. So let's count. Count with me. How many letter H's did we find today? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When you do this at home, you should find 5 letter H's. And as always, you can color Harry Hatman to look like Harry Hatman. He's nice and green and he has on a blue shirt and a hairy green hat. And then the other thing that you can do is you can look in the picture and see if you can find anything else that starts with that sound. So horse, hat, and I think if you look closely, you might find a couple other things. That's all for today, friends. Bye.